Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This section is about importing and cleaning data, which includes how to manage and analyze data, how to import and clean data, how to import versus opening an Excel or text file, how to copy, paste, and clean data, how to remove duplicate rows, how to split text, how to use text to columns, how to use flash fill, how to change the case of a text, how to remove extra spaces and strange characters, how to convert values, how to classify values, how to join columns, how to rearrange rows and columns, how to separate a file name from a URL, how to match text in a list, how to change vertical data to horizontal data, how to fill gaps in an imported report, how to spell check, how to add, replace, or remove text in cells, how to fix trailing minus signs, how to follow a data cleaning checklist, how to export data to a text file, what are CSV, text, and PRN files, and how to export data to other file formats. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.